guys, I am back with another video. I'm back with another unboxing. So this is, if you have bought this box from the Archer&olive March sale box and you don't want a sneak peek and you haven't received your box, don't watch this video. But I received it today and I'm gonna do an unboxing live, and I hope I'm gonna put break it down. This box is heavy. It is like 8 pounds, so it has 9 items. The volume is worth $200 and it only was cost $79. And if you want to catch, if you missed this box, this is sold out as of right now. I am officially for the for Archer&olive, so I will have all the information down below, all the items and stuff like that. What else I gotta say? And I think that's it. I will probably continue chatting later on, but yeah, mind you, this box went a lot because it's from the UPS. I'm not gonna kick it up because it's really heavy. It has 9 items, especially limited edition items that you probably won't see in the actual site. So yeah, so here we go. This is my first time seeing this box because I refuse to watch any other video that's already been out for this. And I'm seeing this. Oh no, oh my god. Okay, Bonnie from Acrylograph really outdone herself. So I'm not gonna so this is like the journey box. So this is a subscription box, have all the details of everything. You can check them out, how to use the items. So inside you find a special collection of limited edition items curated to fit in this themed journey. So I think it's definitely an awesome way of doing this. So you're gonna get yourself an 8x11 Doctrine Notebook, 8x11 line notebook, line, and then you're gonna get a spiral travel notepad, a clear acrylic stamps, sticker sheet, a tote bag as you can see right here, and Acrylograph Pen and acrylic blocks, stamp blocks, and ink pads. So that's what you're gonna get. So let's see the first item that you see right here. Oh my god, this bag is everything. It's a very structured how you call it, canvas bag, and it does have the logo on it embossed right here in the little thing, and it's black and white. It has it's like a not pure white, it's like a soft off-white bag, and you could use this for traveling. You have an inside pocket, has a zipper, and also you have where you can hold your pens. You can put your Acrylograph pens right here. So yeah, so that's the bag. This is a tote bag, and this is worth $30. Okay, next is, I think I'm gonna go through the notebooks first. After, I just want to go through all the accessories, and the notebook's gonna go after. So I'm just gonna take out everything, or should I just the notebook, I'm gonna take it out. So the next item I see is Acrylograph Pen. These markers are going through the themes of the journey box. So you have this beautiful pale, or I could say pale, but you can really tell these beautiful markers. You got these pale purple, but it's a little dark in front of me, and you have this beautiful fuchsia red, the gold pen, another gold pen, I can't talk today, but okay. And you have this mint green, and then you have this warm brown color, tan color. So you have 5 of these, and these are worth $22. So I'm just gonna keep them here. And then this is an acrylic box. So when you have stamps, if for those who are a stamper, these are acrylic box that you can use. You could put the clear stamps, not with this paper. I'm just gonna keep the paper in there, but where you could peel it off and put the stamps on there. And it comes with this long one and this little one right here. So and those are worth $13. And then of course, who doesn't love a good sticker pack? So you got a whole thing of the hot air balloon traveling. It's like the journey that you're going. It has a smooth matte finish, and it does have 2 sheets each. So this is another set, and it also has two sheet each. I'm sorry, I'm just excited. So these stickers are worth $17. And then we have the clear acrylic stamp, which they're worth $15. And this is all cosmetic. It goes with the theme. So I will be using them, but I won't be opening them. And then we have here are the ink pads. We have this bright, this gold color right here, and this, I could say it's black, or it's like a dark blue, but it looks black to me. So, and these were $6. So it is gold and black, yes, because I'm looking at the little information card. These are like, come on. These notebooks are like bomb right now. Thebomb.com. I'm gonna move the box, and then I'm gonna get open with the notebooks. Okay, I'm back. So can we just say that this box is like everything right now? The way the theme is with the hot air balloon, the gold foil stars, and the painted watercolor clouds is everything. So I'm gonna open this first. This is the Spiral Travel Notebook, and this is one of their first, and it's like a very nice, like that dark purple, like the marker, and it has 144 pages, and it's dark grid. It's blank pages, and this is like a sketchbook. So I mean a dark grid notebook. So you could use that as a sketchbook. It has that soft vegan leather, has an elastic band, and these go YO spiral, and a pen loop, so you can just take it with you as you go. So these are the blanks. So it opens all the way and had that same quality thick paper that we all love, and that is the Spiral Travel Notepad, and it's worth $30. So I'm gonna put this back. Suggestion for like when you get notebooks to have it open out, so like the smell could go over the next day, so you won't have to have that new notebook smell unless you want the notebook smell. But yeah, next is the 5x11 notebook. This is, I don't know which one is this one, but I'm gonna open it anyways. So this is the red one, yes. So this is the first line pages. So this is the very first line page notebook. So it's 112 pages, and it's not like that super, you know how you have like this 160 pages, but it's lined, and it's like that bright red, like fuchsia red. It looked more red. It had the compass, it had the pen loop and the long strap, and it's very thin, so you could just take it with you anywhere. So this is the line notebook, and it had this base. I know a lot of people probably wants to be asking for this, but this is like everything. Look at this. Like, I mean, come on. Same quality paper. You could draw, you could journal, you could do whatever you want in this notebook, and it's still the same quality. So that's one of the notebooks. I'll put this one back. I'm gonna let it air out. And last but not least is the Doctrine Notebook. And this is like one of my favorite blues. I am so excited for this one. I am going to be probably using this again. It's 112 pages, 100 GTM thick, ultra thick paper, and it's dot grid. So you could use this as a sketchbook, or if you want to try a new side and bullet journaling, you can, and you could try with this one. I hope probably they're gonna use this as, you know, probably gonna add more notebooks to these, and it has like this beautiful gold foil sailor ship with the stars and the clouds on the bottom. This is a soft vegan leather, the same leather as the Spiral Travel Notepad. Unlike the red one, is more of what the normal archer&olive notebooks are, like a velvet material that does catch on dust, but it doesn't matter. It's still notebooks. This beautiful dot grid, had the pen loop, had that spacious, like you could do whatever your mind comes to with these notebooks. Now they have these sizes, like I don't even know. I'm probably not gonna use them automatically, but I'm definitely gonna use probably for next year, like if I want to do bigger plans. So I'm just gonna close the boxes, and I'm gonna see. I probably will be doing a pen test soon, but I'm not sure yet. But yeah, that's all the items. Of course, you gotta use your stamps, your stickers. It's like a whole set. It's really worth, for me, it's really worth the money for 9 items. And the price range is like, it's worth $200. So, but you only spending like $79. Usually the boxes are $69. But since it's like a special edition sub box, and the amount of items were in the box, it costed like a $10 extra, which is fine. If I do have a affiliate link in the for archer&olive, I'll put everything down below. If you want any, I can't even talk. It's a Wednesday. Oh my god, it's a Wednesday. So if you see in this video, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul unboxing, and I hope you have a great day. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be posting as much as possible with school, and yeah, bye.